Ma, don't start without me.
Mijo, I'm gonna show you how to do it, just like your grandmother taught me.
Ma, relax. I can do this.
Ay, espérate. Mijo, you're doing it all wrong.
Mom, stop, please. Well, why didn't you teach me then? I can cook all kinds of meals except for this family recipe.
Mijo, I didn't know you wanted to learn. I will teach you, but it has to be done with love and patience. See?
Okay, Mama. So, you let me cook in my own kitchen then?
See? We'll cook it together. Pero just this once.
See, Mama.
I'll cut the onions. You open that bag of rice and rinse it out, okay?